Hi everyone, I'm Gakhar, Life Insurance and Investments Advisor. Today I got an opportunity to bring Kim Montgomery from Avari for my viewers. Kim has been in the insurance business since past 20 years, and since 2005 she's working with Avari. She has been in sales for over 19 years, so she has enough knowledge about how an advisor should position policies for their clients. Me and Kim go back a long time. Kim is also a good friend of mine. I met her in the industry once I joined insurance, and I really loved spending my time with her. I love learning a lot of things from her, so we are very good friends. And today I would like to welcome her. She's the regional sales director for Avari, and I would like to welcome her for my viewers. Hi, Kim. How are you?
I'm well, Sim, and you?
Thank you so much. I'm very well, and welcome for my viewers. I really appreciate you coming here and sharing your views with my viewers. Kim, you've been in the business for so long, and I've seen you've spent a lot of your time with Avari. You've been there almost 15 years, if I'm not wrong. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Right. So I guess who else can tell me and my viewers about Avari better than what you can? So would you like to tell everyone where Avari stands in insurance space?
Absolutely. And first and foremost, I just wanted to thank you for your support and for inviting me to speak today. Avari is actually a Canadian life insurance company that's been in business for over 90 years, providing Canadian families with quality, affordable options and the knowledge that they need to make informed decisions. We're all about standing by our word. And in fact, 2019, we paid over $387 million in claims, over 3,200 coverages, which is 99.4% of claims that we received.
Wow. Oh, that's really big. And so what does Avari has to offer to my clients? How do you think the reason of bringing you for my viewers is that normally my viewers are only talking to me and I'm taking the product knowledge to them. And I think it's a great idea when it comes straight from you, where you can tell them how can Avari offer them their products? What is there that they have to offer?
So there's two types of insurance, term and permanent. The term provides protection for a specific term of the policy, which is usually maybe 10, 20, or 30 years. Permanent insurance, such as life, a universal life, provides coverage for life. And many people have both short and long-term protection needs. And this is where the concept of layering comes in to ensure that you're only paying for the protection you need, and where Avari's strength really shines. So let's talk a little bit about select options with term 30. 30 years is an extremely long time, and lots of things can change over that period. This product automatically renews for 30 years, giving you permanent coverage with level premiums payable to age 100 and protection for life. The select options are innovative and flexible between the 15th and 20th coverage anniversary, and the feature was designed to change and adapt to the client's changing needs. Talking about universal life, at Avari, this will help meet many of your needs, including building assets for your children, helping to pay for final expenses, and ultimately providing flexibility so that you can deposit over and above the minimum in a tax-deferred savings, flexible investment choices, and investments can be changed from time to time to meet your client's different needs as their life evolves.
So the investments are in the control of the client, I guess, right? Because it's a universal life policy, then the clients are not logged in. If client has enough knowledge about investments, then they can definitely control their investments even in the policy.
That's correct. And as I said, we offer a wide variety of options depending on clients' risk tolerance. And we also offer them the option to be able to change investment options as the risk tolerance change or as different things change or evolve as the policy progresses.
That's right. And I know that my favorite product with Avari is your universal life policy, where the premium is level with no cash value. And then I can treat it as term 100 because you have term 10, term 20, and term 30. But the way I position with my clients, Avari policy, universal life policy, it can behave like a term 100. That means policy remains in force all life. though we can have it with cash value or without cash value. That's right, to make it cheaper.
That's correct. That's correct. And it really attests to the adaptability of the product in being able to suit multiple needs.
That's right. I know that a few years ago, Avari entered the space of living benefits as well, critical illness. So would you like to tell something about critical illness to my viewers where they understand the importance of critical illness and how their life and critical illness can be structured in such a way that they both are the part of the same policy?
Yes, and you know, it's a really good point that you bring that up. We cannot forget about critical illness. If you're like most people, you understand the need for insurance to help protect your family and provide for them when you're gone. But what about helping your family if you are with them but suffering for a critical illness? Avari has you covered here too. Critical illness provides a lump sum benefit upon diagnosis of a covered condition as defined in your contract, and you can choose the benefit payment for your own flexibility, meaning that once we give you the funds, you can do many things with that, such as paying your mortgage, having loved ones come near you. And that's something that, you know, you could definitely go into more detail with your clients. At our Avari, all of our products are starting as early as 15 days old. While many companies issue smoker rates to children, at which point they need to requalify for non-smoker, Avari will offer non-smoker rates to juveniles, which remains for the duration of the contract. So, you know, given the early age in which you can purchase these products, you know, critical illness is something definitely that should be in all discussions. And again, something that you can speak to Sim a little bit more in detail on how she may be able to structure something to fit into your particular needs.
And they can have it as a standalone as well, or is it supposed to be with the rider on the life policy?
So at Avari, we offer both options. So we offer the ability for you to add it on or bundle it, if you will, with one of your life products, or you can offer it as a standalone.
So for standalone critical illness, I would like you to definitely tell a little bit more to my viewers about how, in case nothing happens to the client and the client dies, there's a built-in feature of return of premiums paid into the policy on death that would be given to the beneficiary of the estate. So do you want to throw a little bit light on that?
That's correct. So within our contract, we have a built-in feature, which is, as Sim mentioned, a return of premium on death. Meaning that we would refund premiums while the policy is in force and if the insured had passed away. So you have the option to name a beneficiary who would receive those proceeds.
That is so good. And I think living benefits are actually very important as well. I know everybody talks about life insurance for many reasons, but I think living benefits are the benefits. They can use them while they're alive because nobody knows what's going to happen, who's going to get hit by what, and very especially in this COVID-19 time also, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, thank you so much, Kim. I think that was a lot of knowledge coming from an industry expert. You've been in the business for so long, and I think I'm very, very thankful to you for coming and sharing this knowledge with my